So in my last video, I showed you how I put together all the parts for my ITX build. Everything seemed to fit perfectly, and I was ready for that satisfying power on moment, but things didn't go as planned. I built the whole system using the ASRock H370M-ITX/AC motherboard that I found on eBay, hoping to reuse my old Intel Core i5-6600K processor running at 3.5 gigahertz. After everything was installed, I pressed the power button and nothing. The computer just wouldn't turn on. It was such a frustrating moment. I kept asking myself, what did I miss? After checking every single connection and part, I realized the problem might be with the motherboard. I bought it used since finding a new LGA 1151 motherboard these days is nearly impossible. But when I went back to contact the eBay seller, I was hit with a message that said, no longer a registered user. Not exactly the news I was hoping for. Fortunately, eBay let me send the motherboard back. They even provided a shipping label. After 3 days, the return was processed and I got my money back. At this point, I decided to cut my losses and upgrade to newer parts. I went with an Intel Core i5-12400F, a 12th generation processor, along with a B760I AORUS Pro DDR4 motherboard, which uses the LGA 1700 socket. So in the end, the only part I was able to carry over from my old build was my 16 GB memory kit. I had to rebuild everything from scratch, but at least now I have a better processor and motherboard combo. And let me tell you, it was worth it. So here it is. This time, the build powers on flawlessly and the system runs smooth as butter. I'm excited to finally share it with you. Thank you for sticking with me through this two-part journey. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but when you get through the setbacks, it makes the success even sweeter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future projects. Thanks for watching.